Welcome everybody, this is M. Solomon from TTA Technical and Time Analysis. Today we will start a series of speaking about some of the Gann strategies. One of the most important rule is the time and price are exchangeable. When I heard about this say for the first time, I didn't understand it. It took me some time until I figure out what does it mean. Today I'm going to explain the idea in a simple way, but before I start, this is for educational purpose only, and it's not a recommendation, and you cannot depend on that in any investment decision. This is the chart of the gold. This method, I'm calling it the arc, or the Arc of Gann. We are going to use a simple tool here. In this area, you can find it as this circle. Don't use any other one. We need a circle like this. Actual circle. Here in TradingView, we are using it. We need to have 2 points to draw the circle. The center and the end of this. So we are going to start from this bottom, which the direction of the price reflected, to this actual top. This is the actual top when the price starts to change in direction. So what we are going to do, first there is a step 0. I call it a step 0, but I will not explain it in this video. If you willing to know more, please contact me, and you can support my channel and have a golden member, and I will explain it to you in details how to adjust the scale first before you start drawing this method. The idea is to start from this bottom to this top. Then we can depend on this area to expect the future time and price resistant or reflect in the direction. For example, from this one to this one. This area, the end of this circle, or I think they call it radius, is important as a time and price. So by knowing this, you know that in the future we will have a major resistance in this area as a price, where the vertical line hit the radius of the circle. Anyway, the important now that we are going to draw multiplication of this circle. While I am recording this, today is 18th of November 2013. The market is off. I will hide this bar and we will see what will happen. Welcome back. As I mentioned, we started from this bottom to this top. Then we are depending on this arc we draw. Then we make it as a multiplication by certain persons. Anyway, the important point that the end of this arc and the end of other arcs which we draw depending on this first arc, the end of them are important as a price and as a time. So for example, here we will go to the vertical line tool and we will come here to the end of this radius and draw a line like this, and then we will draw a line here again, and then we will draw a line here again, and the last one here again. Then we will see what is the effect of this radius price when he hit the end of the radius. We're supposed to have a major change in the direction when we are hitting this vertical line. We will click on the replay and we will see what happened here. As we can see, we will zoom out and you will see in a better way. Here, the end of this radius was the major bottom of October 5. And here, as you can see, it was about the major top here of the gold, just 1-2 days delay. And we are expecting to have a change of the direction in this area in December 29, maybe 1 day or 2 days or before, or maybe 2 days after, and here in this area in January 25, maybe 2 days before or 2 days after. So this is like at the time. The end of the arc here, that will be a major resistance, which will be 2421 as a price. This is the way of how to draw the Arc of Gann. And before you start drawing using the Gann method in the modern websites like TradingView or other websites, you must adjust the scale. I have a simple rule, depending on it, tested it, and if you need I can share it with you, but please support me and support my channel and I will explain it to you. Thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe, and come back again. Thank you. Have a nice time.